Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. Today I'm driving this beautiful 2010 model Audi A5 Convertible on this sunny day through some fresh snow. This car is fitted with 19-inch rims on all-season tires. The appropriate thing to do in these conditions. Under the hood there's a 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 160 metric horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. Or, for my friends with weird measurements, that equals to around 180 pound-feet of torque. The fabric roof is retractable from the inside of the car. Not with the remote though, as that is restricted to cars with keyless entry. And as always in snowy conditions, don't forget to clear your shoes from snow. We don't want to make the inside of the car dirty. When you start the car, it hands you your seatbelt automatically. I forgot that here though. So let's start the car and release the automatic handbrake. This beep indicates an error message. In this case, it's the brakes that need new brake pads. The owner of this car will get that sorted on its next TÜV inspection. Please also consider subscribing, it helps me out a lot. Thank you. As you saw, I needed to drive in the deeper snow on the side, but that's not a problem for the all-season tires. The car has a very good suspension. Part of that is because it's not lowered. So, because this is northern Germany, we only get around 2 to 3 days of snow every year. Always around March to April. But since it's already around 5 to 6 degrees outside at the time of filming this, most of the snow will be water at the end of this day. The steering of this car is quite heavy. Most older Audis seem to be like that though. As I come through this intersection, I will cut the video because waiting for the green light is not that entertaining. It slipped a little around here, but I was accelerating a bit too hard anyway for these conditions. The infotainment system is very much dated in this car. If this was my car, I would have gone with a nicer MMI Plus system with navigation and steering wheel buttons. This car has an S-Line trim with bi-xenon headlights and LEDs in the back. That is quite nice. It also has LED daytime running lights. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system. Thanks for helping me pixelate. Now I'm gonna get on this Umgehungsstraße. That's like a freeway that goes around the city. The acceleration of this car is quite nice, definitely enough for 160 horsepower. Now this is gonna be it for this POV snow drive of this beautiful Audi A5 Convertible. Please make sure to subscribe. It will help me getting my hands on more cool cars to drive and review. Thanks for watching, and until next time.